Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable secure storage with Android Keystore in Kotlin, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the necessary development environment set up. Open your Android Studio and create a new Kotlin project. In your project, locate the build.gradle file for your app module. Add the following dependency if it's not already present: implementation Android.security security crypto 1.1.0. Sync your project to ensure the dependency is added. Next, open the main activity file where you will implement secure storage. Import the necessary classes by adding these lines at the top: import android.security.crypto.encrypted shared preferences, import Android. Create a new function to set up the secure storage. Within this function, initialize the master key using this code: val master key alias equals master key builder my_master_key. Next, create the encrypted shared preferences instance like this: val shared preferences equals encrypted shared preferences.create secure_. Now, you can store sensitive data securely. To store data, call the edit method on the shared preferences object. For example, use shared preferences.edit.putString key value.apply. To retrieve the stored data, use val stored value equals shared preferences.getString key null. Make sure to handle the case where the value might be null. You can call this secure storage setup function in the onCreate method of your activity. Test your application on a device or emulator running Android 6.0 or higher. Verify that your sensitive data is stored securely using the encrypted shared preferences. This implementation leverages the Android Keystore for secure and efficient management of cryptographic keys. Ensure to review best practices for key management and data encryption. Your application is now capable of securely storing sensitive information in a simple and efficient manner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.